treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Ram Cargo. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include cruise control, delay-off headlights, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, rear wipers, and power windows. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.